Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Here is a list of the best
facial creams, moisturizers,
available for online purchase. If you thought this article was useful, please like and subscribe to our channel so we can keep producing top 10 lists.
It is never too late to start prepping your skin for wrinkles. Today I'm going to be using this Retinol Collagen Cream. This cream is all natural ingredients and it is for all skin types. I have been using this morning and night for a week now and my skin, you guys, feels so soft. This is me after 1 week. I love this product. You guys need to try it.
Why is Roche-Posay recommended by over 90,000 dermatologists worldwide? Because we bring you effective skincare that makes a difference. Like the Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer, with dermatologist-recommended ingredients including ceramide and niacinamide. Double action helps repair skin's protective barrier after 1 hour and provide 48-hour hydration. So no matter your skin type, even sensitive, you can have healthy-looking skin with La Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer.
What does it take to develop a powerful cream that actually works on wrinkles? Our dedicated scientists study the unique characteristics of wrinkles so they can best understand how to improve their appearance. After testing 20 years of retinol technology in our innovation lab, the perfect blend of ingredients is here. Our unique formula combines retinol with hyaluronic acid and glucose complex in a rich, moisturizing cream that's gentle enough for daily use. Retinol works in harmony with the skin's natural process of producing new skin cells that occurs less frequently as we age. Hyaluronic acid adds plumping hydration to replenish parched, dull skin. And glucose complex accelerates skin surface activity to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. With these three powerful ingredients, our formula is... Our dedicated scientists study the unique characteristics of wrinkles. After testing the perfect blend of ingredients is here. Our unique formula, rich, moisturizing cream that's gentle enough for daily use, natural process. Hyaluronic acid adds plumping hydration, and glucose complex accelerates skin surface activity. With these three powerful ingredients, our formula is for visibly younger looking skin.
For more than 75 years, CeraVe has been intimately studying sensitive skin and partnered with dermatologists to identify 5 key signs of skin sensitivity: dryness, irritation, roughness, tightness, and weakened skin barrier. CeraVe's products have been scientifically formulated to defend against these 5 signs by supporting the skin's natural barrier, boosting hydration, and soothing skin. CeraVe. We do skin. You do you.